Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who's new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So sweeties, welcome to this video, which is going to be the launch of my 100th Leorah kit. Sweeties, seriously, I think we've come full term. I'm pretty sure that around a year ago I launched my first Leorah kit with Wrapunzel, and it's sort of, this is like an anniversary kit, sort of. It is not, like, it's not intended to be that. It's just, I was just realizing that I think the first kit was around that time last year. So I'm really excited to introduce my new kit to you. Of course, this is all in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has lovingly provided everything that you're seeing here, and of course has worked with me on this. And I want to give like a big shout out and a big thank you to the awesome team of Wrapunzel, everybody who has been involved. And I'm just so glad to have this opportunity to like be so free to play around with what I feel, you know. It's amazing. So let me just tell you about this kit. Of course, this is going to be probably a bit of a surprise because you know me a bit different. I think you know me usually very colorful and very bold, and this is a bit of a different approach. But I sort of really felt like, first of all, I wanted to surprise you all. That was my first thing. I wanted to surprise you all, and I had the idea that I wanted to do a monochromatic kit, but the decision to go gray was a decision. It was not like I immediately knew it, but I sort of felt it, and then I approached Wrapunzel and asked, is that okay? Can we do that? And they have been so supportive of that idea. So I'm just really thrilled. So, and also I also thought that this is also going to be, you know, for those of you who are maybe not feeling the bold colors all the time, this could be something for you that you could be really comfortable with, you know. And yeah, so this is the kit. I'm super thrilled. This one is going to retail for $29.50 this time. There's also one scarf within those 3 scarves that is going to be exclusive to my kit. I'm going to introduce everything to you in just a second. So, and we're going to do this look. Of course, it's not going to be a real tutorial. It's just like always when I'm launching my kits, it is more a playtime, but I hope you will enjoy. And without further ado, let's go right into the introduction of my new Leorah kit. Okay, sweeties, welcome to the playtime with my new Leorah kit. So let me just first of all introduce the things that are in the kit, okay? So first of all, I'm going to show you this one, which is the Lakeshore Bliss in black and gray, which looks like this. You can see that there is some black fringes, there is a bit of a gray part here, then there is a black stripe, and then there is a whole patterned area here that has like a flowery pattern. I'm going to bring it closer to the camera so you can see it a bit better. And this is how it looks. It's a beautiful, very soft pashmina, not too thick and not too heavy. So it's really nice. So this is the Lakeshore Bliss in gray and black. Then the next one is going to be this one here, which is a lightweight pewter scarf with a bit of a sparkle. I'm going to show you. It is a little bit in the direction of the Shiny-licious, but it is not a Shiny-licious. Maybe you can see also the sparkle a little bit. And of course you can also see that it is sheer because you can see me through it. So it has fringes and it's all the same color. The fringes are the same color as the rest of the scarf, and it's like a really nice solid gray. Then the next one is the Lustrous Bouquet scarf, and that, sweeties, that's kind of a really spectacular scarf, and it looks like this. It's basically 2 panels of different grays. So this of course has a flower pattern, and this is solid but sheer. Everything is of course sheer, and this is transparent, besides the nice beautiful pattern here, of course. And this is how it looks. There are no fringes on it, you know. Both sides are the same width more or less, and this is how it looks. So let me just get maybe both sides a little bit closer to you so you can see it. I hope you can see it. I hope that the focus is picking it up, the autofocus. So this is the flowery side, and this here is the other side that is not flowery. Okay, so this, the Lustrous Bouquet scarf, is available in other colors on the website, or will be, or it is already. I'm not 100% sure right now, sorry. But this gray version is exclusive to my kit. Just so you know, this one has my name on it. All right, so let's maybe just do a look with this. And try, while we're doing this, to feature all of the scarves, okay? So let's start with the Lakeshore Bliss. I'm of course wearing my Wendy shaper, which is sliding back a little bit. So let's just put this back into place. And I'm going to put down the Lakeshore Bliss first, from the top down. This is so beautiful. I'm just so living the grace these days. I don't know, sometimes I feel I've knocked myself out with like an overuse of color or something, and sometimes I just crave these colors that are so, I don't know, they're so good also for the soul, you know? As much as I love colors, I'm just tying a knot behind my head. As much as I love colors, and they're also very, very good and like healing for the soul, depending on like whatever you need. But this is like, it grounds you, you know? And I need that, honestly, I really do. So anyway, this, just like that, it's so gorgeous. Seriously, a beautiful scarf. So the next one is this pewter scarf that I'm going to use. And I think I want to just fold it down and maybe put it on top, just in a little area. 1 second, let me just fold it down like 2 quarters, sort of, quarter width or whatever it's called. And I'm going to put it down here, pretty much in front, but so I can still see a little bit of the Lakeshore Bliss. And then I'm just going to cross over. And this is not really a tutorial because I don't know, I don't know where I'm going, honestly. So I think I'm just going to like wrap it like a regal wrap, but thin, you know, like that idea. So let's just do that. Okay, next I'm going to take the Lustrous Bouquet scarf, and I think, because obviously we need to feature this part here, right? So I think I'm going to take it like this. Sorry, I had an itch. Okay, so let's just take it like this and slide it on like this. And I think here I'm going to keep it like bunched up, so it doesn't go all the way back, because I want to bring the Lakeshore Bliss back too. So let's do that. So we sort of layer it a little bit over the pewter scarf, and I'm going to just cross over behind my head and bring it back up. And I think I want to tie a knot like somewhere around here. Something like that. So let's leave this hanging for a second. And now I'm going to bring the Lakeshore Bliss, now I don't see what I'm doing, the Lakeshore Bliss back behind it. Let's just try that. And then I'm just going to tuck it away. And I think I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And also just tuck it away. Okay, so let's just see that we clean this up a little bit here. I feel like there is a bit of a mess still here, so let me just tuck this all away. And now I think what I want to do is that I'm just sort of opening up this, what's it called? Lustrous Bouquet. Lustrous Bouquet scarf. And I'm just going to like slide it here behind the Lakeshore Bliss. Like this. And like that. I think that's how I want it today. Okay, I think this is cute, and it features all of the scarves in the new Leorah kit, so I think this is really, really nice. I'm not 100% sure about this part here. I'm not at my best, apparently. Okay, so anyway, I think I can let it pass. What do you think? All right, so let me just check this one more time and then turn around so you see how it looks in the back. As always, I have no idea how it looks, so yeah. All right, so this is it. I hope you like that. Of course, there is so much in this kit, because even if you just want to put on the pewter, that lightweight pewter scarf, and then just put this on top, the Lustrous Bouquet scarf, can you imagine, like, really Or even just wearing the Lakeshore Bliss and just like that. Yeah, like in the beginning when I started the wrap and I just had the Lakeshore Bliss on, I could have gone like this, but it doesn't make sense to make a kit with just one scarf. It's just not a kit then, you know. Anyway, so I had fun. I always love to have my kids. It's like having a baby, you know, and it's starting to like learning to walk, because for me this kit is already old, because I have been working on this for months already, or we have been deciding on this months ago, and for me this is it has already been born at that moment, and now when it's launching, it's like it's starting to walk on its own. So for me this is just a beautiful feeling. I hope that you feel that too. I had so much fun with this and creating it, because it was so special for me to go there in this monochromatic is not the thing, but the gray was the thing that at that point back then was foreign to me, you know, and it was a decision for me that I wanted to do that. But now in all that time dealing with that color, I've been really starting to like that color, and I think it is an amazing color. And maybe it's not officially called a color, I'm not even sure, but I think it is gorgeous and it should be worn, you know. So anyway, if you of course want to order the kit, then you can use, if you want to, my discount code, which is Queen Leorah in all caps in one word. It will give you 5% off your order. It is affiliated, just so you know. Then besides that, of course, you will find everything linked in the description box down below, the link to the kit, and also all the contacts for Wrapunzel, my contacts and everything. So I really hope you enjoyed and that you will enjoy the kit. And besides that, leave me your comments in the comment section down below. Of course, please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you here next time for my next video, which this time I'm not 100% sure, because next week is going to be Passover, so I don't know if I'm going to have videos up next week or not. If so, then it's going to be a pleasant surprise. If not, then please don't be surprised either, because it's a holiday, okay? So just so you know, you have been warned. And besides that, I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope you will enjoy the kit if you get it. If not, it's also okay. You can just as well play with your own scarves. And that is it for today. I love you so much. Hugs and kisses. Go ahead and sparkle. Bye.